Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle. Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, I get up early in the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Then I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. In the afternoon, I get back home. In the evening, I usually visit down the town. Sometimes I try to play cricket. In the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I get fresh. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. At night, completing my homework, I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have survived together. Then I go to my personal room and join my personal work. After that, I go my bed. And that's all.